In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open Instagram, then click on your profiles icon. At the top right corner, you will see these three lines. So click on it and then go to settings, click on help and then go to help center. Once again, click on these three lines and select manage your account. Now here you will see this option delete your account. So click on it. Select the second option, how do I delete my Instagram account? Now scroll down and then click on this delete your account option. Select the reason why you want to delete your account and then enter your Instagram account password. And once you have entered your password, all you have to do is to click on this delete option and your account will be deleted permanently. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.